Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to be working in the dynamic for the ochos. Very, very important how to syncopate that and how to do it slow. Before we start, make sure to leave your comment if you are enjoying this video. If you want us to do another video about another topic, we're going to be more than happy to do so.
So let's go to the video. Okay, here we are at the dance floor and we have this figure, which is the ochos.
Very famous ocho figure.
And different dynamics. We're going to show you how to do it when the music is slow or technique to use when the music is a little faster.
Yes, so
right?
Let us show you first what we are doing. In case you don't know the figure, this is what it is. We're going to do it all on the beat without any acceleration. Ocho, we are doing it a little bit in open embrace. So you can see this one could be in open embrace or close embrace. And from here, we can walk out to another figure. We are going to take it up to here. So how and this is the most common, this is the tip that we want to give you. How to accelerate this without looking clunky.
Yes.
First thing for the leader. For leaders, once we want to accelerate, let's say we do one ocho. Two ochos. Now we are going to accelerate 3 and 4, yes? So here's the thing. Try to create momentum before taking this next one and also give her momentum and lift her. Look, quick, quick, slow. Another thing that I did is momentum is number 1, lifting number 2, and putting feet together is number 3. So we keep doing the ochos in the regular beat. So we are basically syncopating, doing a little faster.
So you are syncopating and collecting your feet, making small steps.
Yes, so this is the step for the leader, sorry. Tan tan, we enter number 1, number 2, and 3, and 4. Ocho, ocho. That's for the leader.
So for the follower, we are doing the same. When he feet together, he doesn't open the position much. We should do the same. So if I'm opening for the ocho, let me do it this way. I'm opening the ocho position. This is big, one is slow. One is faster, I will do 1 and 2. So it's almost on feet together, not even stepping. I keep the feet together, I rotate the hips, I do the pivot, but not making the step. So I can make it faster and be in one line. See, every time you do the ochos and you open the position, you're changing from one side to the other. And that will be okay when he does the same. He's opening, we are opening. When he does the faster one, he's using feet together. This is when we do the same. See, in the same moment his feet together, we are keeping the pivot position or the ocho position, but with feet together as well.
Yes. So when does it look clunky? Just to double check if you are doing that. If you are doing this, fix it right away. So if we don't fit together and we try to syncopate, I will try not to do it too wrong. Here's the thing. If you do it too big, like quick, slow, it looks funny. It looks clunky. Yes. So just fit together, lift. It'll look much cleaner.
It's very hard to follow. When the leader does that, it's really hard to follow to make long steps on a faster rhythm. The same for the followers.
Yes.
If you do on the syncopation, short step, this is wrong. Don't do this. So we are doing the slow, and now this is the syncopation. I keep going big steps. See, it doesn't look good. I'm using long steps when he's using small. So we should do the same. But there is something to communicate, to know. Music is one thing. So we are both listening to the music. So we both know this is faster. If we use this on vals, you keep the tempo, the syncopation. But also the lead.
Yes.
The lead changes. So she knows, or the followers knows, when the leader needs you to do smaller steps.
Yes. How does it change? By lifting and also pulling. Instead of using your arms, leaders, use your shoulder blades. Pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. plus the lifting, it'll be a piece of cake, I can assure you. So if we do it from this side one more time, tun, 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 we have slow, slow. I'm trying to be straight, but can you see that I'm a little lower? So I can do larger step. Now I will go a little bit up and use my shoulder blades. Tac, tac, pam, 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 pam. It'll be much easier. We can do quick, 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 slow, as long as we use almost feet together. Actually, I tend to move forward a little bit front every time that I'm leading her into small ochos. If I do it continuously, I take very tiny step without really opening the position.
So for the followers, let's try one more time. So we are doing again, following a long step, long step. You have to be able when he's lifting you. When he lifts means we are going to use small steps. So on the syncopation, he's lifting, we do small, and then be aware to the next one. When he releases and make it larger, he lowers the position. This is going to be slow.
Yeah.
So be aware when you are dancing about the lead, side and side, and also when he lifts. When he lifts you means your steps are going to be small. Most of the time, small steps means faster. So we have to be aware of all the details about the lead, how to follow and how to do it.
Thank you for being until the end of this video.
We hope you like it. We love being your tango instructors.
Once again, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.